So the group last year, they started as year ones. They've had a successful year. They've now rolled on into year two, which is where you're picking up with them today.
So far, my experience has been pretty much perfect. Every week I've turned up, there's been stuff to do, things to learn.
Year one, it's very much like the underpinning principles, the scientific principles, your health and safety, bits and pieces like the stuff that you need to get on site. We do the ECS cards with them so they can actually have a card that allows them to work on sites, etc. Year two, this year, what they've moved on is they go on to the second year of the principles, which takes it up to that level 3 principles. They start their design project because they're already looking now and building on the principles of the design that they started from last year.
The skills I learned here have helped me out all the way through my apprenticeship. I've learned my health and safety, learning my science and principles.
At this stage as well, we also get them to start looking at things like inspection and testing. We factor in building regulations, we factor in the wiring regulations. Year two, you're cementing and building on what you've done in year one, but you're also preparing yourself for the content of year three as well.
It's a lot more harder than year one. Science principles have been a lot more harder. Multiple choice in year one was a lot easier, but going into year two, you have to explain a bit more into the questions.
I'm facing a bit of a challenge right now. My second science and principles is very hard. I'm trying my best for it, been revising for it.
They're constantly giving feedback with reviews, they're constantly giving feedback on a daily basis within the lesson, especially with their portfolio and with the design project they have to do. It's constantly being given to the lecturers, being then sent back to the students with advice and where they can go.
Obviously, the main goal would be to pass and get my AM2 certificate and my gold card, and hopefully from there just go from each sector of electrics and go travelling the world, go to Australia, or maybe going into like commercial as I do solo at the minute.
Domestic, they're commercial, they're industrial. Although they might be tied into a specific sector, the actual qualification itself is very broad. It looks at motors, it looks at power factors, it looks at domestic, it looks at commercial, fire alarms, emergency lighting, solar, battery, which we incorporate as not part of the curriculum. And when we talk to people about apprenticeships, I know it's a cliche, but you're earning while you're learning. You don't come out from 30, 40, 50 grand's worth of debt. You're actually earning wages as you're learning.
I definitely tell myself to knuckle down more, try your best to wrap your head around everything you learn in class, because if you don't listen and you miss one thing, that can mess everything up.
Revise, pay attention, because it's not an easy road.
Keep your head down, keep going, even at home, just do a little bit more learning.
No hesitation. If you can get an apprenticeship, go for it, 100%. It'll be the best decision you'll ever make.